Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here, back in the kitchen because it is officially spring. And today I have 3 awesome new smoothie recipes for spring detox, all right? They're gonna be delicious, nutritious, and super simple to make. You're gonna love it, so let's get into it. Alrighty, so our first recipe, our first smoothie is a classic green detox smoothie, all right? So we're gonna put everything in the blender. First we have a cup or a handful of a baby green. So you can use kale, I'm using spinach. Any baby green will do for this one right here. And then we have a cup of cilantro, loosely packed cup of cilantro. You don't have to shove it in that measuring cup, all right? Just make sure it fills it up, all right? Wash all your ingredients first, of course. And then we have a cup of chopped cucumber. Very good, full of hydration, great for your skin. All right, putting that in there. Hopefully this cup is big enough. All right, then we have a cup of pineapple. If you don't have pineapple or you don't want to use pineapple, you can use mango instead. I'm using frozen pineapple because I like that it makes the consistency a little bit thicker. All right, then we have a full lemon juiced, all right? So that comes out to usually 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Putting that in there, beautiful. And then we have 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, but if you don't have a grater or if you don't want to grate it, you can always use just like a little knob of fresh ginger, all right? It's about 1 inch in size, but for both ways, whether you grate it or you just use a little knob, make sure you take the skin off first, or peel the skin off first. Then we have half of a beautiful ripe avocado, all right? Putting that in there. You can use a spoon, but I like this little trick. You just squeeze it together and boom, it all comes out. But if you don't like to waste, like I don't, go ahead, grab a spoon and make sure you get every little bit out. There we go, beautiful. And last but not least, we have a cup of chilled green tea, all right? So I recommend making this yourself. It's super simple. I don't recommend store-bought. That's usually full of, preservatives, all that good stuff. All you need is a packet of herbal green tea. You put boiling water over it, let it steep for a little bit, and then let it chill, let it cool. You can even put an ice cube in there to help the process speed up a bit. That's exactly what I did, and boom, 1 cup of chilled green tea. And that'll be our liquid to help blend this beautiful smoothie. Look at all those colors, so green, so vibrant, absolutely love. And there we go. Now we're just gonna blend all the ingredients together and enjoy. I get this question a lot in my smoothie videos, which blender I use. I have a NutriBullet and I absolutely love it. So, my blender is a NutriBullet. All right, make sure it's blended thoroughly, get all the little pieces, all the little chunks, and boom, there we go, there we have it. Beautiful green, look at that color. Detox smoothie, all right? And I love the NutriBullet, I love these cups because I just opened the lid, put a straw in, and ready to drink from it. Less dishes to wash, and who doesn't love that? All right, so give me a few seconds to prep and move on to our smoothie number 2. All right, smoothie number 2, we have Tropical Delight Detox Smoothie. Yum. If you have a sweet tooth, this is definitely gonna satisfy that craving while detoxing your body. So yummy, so good. So what we have here is a cup of strawberries, a cup of mango, a cup of pineapple. I wonder why we call it a tropical smoothie, right? Then we have a medium banana. All right, you wanna cut it up a little bit so everything fits in. Very good, very good. All right, mine was large, so I'm gonna leave a little chunk out, eat it later. And then we have one lemon, there we go, 1 lemon juice like we did in the first one, so that would be 2 to 3 tablespoons, all right? In we go. And then a tablespoon of chia seeds or hemp seeds or flax seeds. So you can choose one of those 3, or you can even do all 3. I usually put all 3 in my smoothies because they're just so little but so powerful, these seeds, all right? So full of nutrition and goodness. So you can choose one or the other. And then we have 1 cup of coconut water. If you don't have coconut water, you can use regular water or a non-dairy milk, plant-based milk like coconut milk or almond milk, anything like that. But coconut water, and there we have it. Now we're gonna blend it all together. Putting everything aside so we can see this beautiful blend. And there we go. All done, and again, look at that color. So pretty, so yummy, so inviting. I used all frozen fruit. So it's like a slushy. Oh, this is perfect on a hot day. We're in spring now, summer's coming up. This is great for any time, honestly. Oh, and there we have it, look at that, beautiful. Number 3 coming up. All right, number 3, we have a carrot spice smoothie, detox smoothie, super yummy. We have a cup of carrots chopped up in that cup, all right? You can use regular carrots or baby carrots, whatever you want or whatever you have available, all right? A cup of pineapple, yum. Half of a banana, I already chopped up mine this time. Then we have a tablespoon of lemon juice, so that would be about half of a lemon juiced. A 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric with a pinch of black pepper. The black pepper activates the turmeric, so it's super important to include it. Okay, very good. Then we have a knob of ginger, or if you want, a tablespoon of grated fresh ginger. But remember, always peel the peel. And then we have a cup of unsweetened almond juice. There we go, beautiful. And again, blend it up and enjoy. And there we have it, another beautiful color. I can't believe how gorgeous all 3 of these smoothies came out. I can't wait to line them all up in a second. And there we have it, look, beautiful orange carrot spice smoothie. Alrighty, my beautiful people, there we have it, 3 gorgeous, yummy, nutritious detox smoothies. We have our green detox smoothie, our tropical delight, and then our carrot spice. I absolutely love all of them. I know you will too, so go ahead, give them a try, and then let us know in the comments below what you thought. And if you haven't already, subscribe, click the bell that lets you know when we post, like, comment, check out our channel, and I hope to see you on the next one. Cheers.